How to put music on Instagram Note. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put music on InstaNote. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing is you'll need to have your Instagram updated. For that, head over to your App Store and search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, you will see an update option if you have not updated it. If you see the update option, tap on update and update the app. Then you can open up your app. And after you're on your app, head over to your DM sections. Swipe left and you should be here. Now on the top, you'll find the note option. Tap on note. And after you tap on note, you'll see a music button right here. Tap on the music icon. And from here, you can choose any music that you want. So it's that simple now. Choose any music. You can browse your music as well. You can search for your music. You can even save different musics. So simply select whichever you want to put on your note. So choose one. Let me just choose this and post it. And tap on share. And that's how you share music on your Instagram note. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.